Question 7. The diagram on the right shows the graph of function fx equals to this. The line y equals to 4 is a tangent to the curve, right? So this is a tangent line. That means this is 4. So if that is 4, the vertex here would have a y value of 4. We can also go ahead and find the x value, because if these two are the roots, the one in the middle here would be our x value of the vertex lah. So this is just the middle of 3 and 7. So 3 plus 7 we divide it by 2. So we get 5. So in between 3 and 7, the value here will be 5 lah. 2 units here, 2 units here. So the x value here is 5. Right. Okay. Now, they want us to find the roots of fx is 0. So the roots are quite simple. Roots they already gave us 3 and 7. So answer A would be just 3 and 7. B, the values of P and Q. Right. So if you look at this equation, they haven't expanded this inside. So let's expand it first. So fx is negative 1 over 3 x plus p square minus 1 over 3 q. Right. Why we need to expand? So that we can easily identify the vertex coordinates. So this would be the x coordinate of the vertex. This would be the y coordinate. Just that when you're taking out the p, you have to change the symbol. So this is positive p. When we remove it, it will become negative p. And the y, you just write it straight. No need to change. Okay. So remember, every time you want to take out the x coordinate from the vertex form, you need to change the symbol. Right. So this is our vertex. And we know our vertex is 5, 4. Therefore, this will be 5, this will be 4. So from here, you can find the value of P lah. Sorry, P and Q actually. So negative P is 5, therefore P is negative 5. And then negative 1 over 3 Q is 4. So Q would be 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Okay, you can just bring the negative 3 over this side, become times. Or you want to divide, you want to do 4 divide by this whole thing also can. You'll get the same answer lah. Done. So P is negative 5, Q is negative 12. Negative 5, negative 12. Done. C, equation of axis of symmetry. Alright. So the axis of symmetry would be here. This will be axis of symmetry. So this is just x equals to 5 lah. Okay, because this is a vertical line. So vertical line passing through 5 would be x equals to 5. X equals to 5. Done. Then D, the range of values of x when fx is positive. Okay. So let's look at the graph. They're asking us when fx is positive. That means positive y. These are all negative values. These are positive values. So during the positive, when the fx is positive, our graph ranges from here to here. So the x values would be between 3 and 7 when fx is positive. So the answer would be x will be between 3 and 7. That's it.